is written, to subvert a man in his cause, appointed by heaven, the Lord permitted it not. In the name of he who died and lay in the grave and arose triumphant on the third day, we speak into play Ides. We speak to the oracles of Arturos, to the decisions of Orion and Mazzaroth, to the zodiacs, and we declare, get yourself and be broken in pieces. Assemble yourself from the east, north, south, and west and be broken in pieces. Take your counsels in the regions of the sea, and it shall come to naught. Speak your word, and it shall not stand, for God is with us. Shine with a shout of fire.
TV official, our YouTube and our Facebook. Say any day you can or share a video. Mr. Sell be subscribe. O subscribe and like it. Afi ja comment na share na afoforo so enye bi enhwe. Adekye mu nsem dwumadie mre ana yede ebre o ena awie. Na se program yi ebekoso a na team bi na yeden aboa dwumadie no ama yede ebre Madam production crew ase led by the MCR Azeman and also our beautiful sister Madam Pat and omo makenya midin e de opon ajenim boatin na enawie so say Ghana Premier League ye sha se ene the launch of the Ghana Premier League 2025-2026 season. And na shase na Accra House of Folk and Hohoi United ana share the 2026 Ghana Premier 2025-2026 season no ase na enumu no ana be pese ye bo aban a otisu ye bo mabaso because omo betina yeso in omo betina aban mu omo ye de omo bestimi aye bia e de aboa ye sports no ye kamya koye say the Premier League any Ghana football na nkasa no asai kakra na government buy or finding ways and means bia obeyden obema the sports na side upper back those times 2000s 2001 2002 2005 said na ye wo GDA any or pepase ye beden ye be ko stadium akohwe Premier League ye be support our various clubs no eno na abanya wa baye den ashase eye enti a plus for the ruling government say omoso ye den omode omunimudie ene boshe manifesto a omo ye den omode beto oman Ghana nim ensem omo kan say omo ba ombe ma sports no aye den aye kama aye pepepe no say omo ashase say obe kaya the President Cup also said His Excellency the First Gentleman then ACD anim Emma board the President Cup or no abetina stadium any fans have a fun ye really ya call Democracy Cup and also said His Excellency and then the cheetah for ebe support Emma Democracy Cup and so then a year kama na the top 4 Gaka top 4 said the preparation e kom said the niema esi kom ema the Gaka top 4 a year fe previous years na yenten hu sa na the previous government emfa ne hu share our sports nimtina ye always be ano citizens and I say various clubs no nye de enya participation in you omunya support no na free aban no in time back but government we are abayi wa hwe se enema nyaa ye de enko so se de day in day in day out bia no yebenya quality football yebenya good sports ewo oman mu na eno ana the Ghana Premier League 2025 His Excellency said no say enne ye hye Ghana Premier League ase dia ne bosha o share ni say opese oyeden or develop the sports no e just say enne okotena se no so share the game between Accra House of Folk and Hohoy United. And the launch of the 2025-2026 Premier League season, you know, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and a baby kick off no a baby shasi amansana Premier League no ya shasi and 7 p.m. Enyumre 7 p.m. Wow and crying. Wow Accra Sports Stadium biano. Prepare on se obeden. Obeko na so akọ support ama dwumedia eba so enyumre no ayefe because ne fe ene ye hwehwe say always biano weekend eba say ya yebenya good football, quality football. Ana ama in Kanko in Puntu side aba ye football because Kameko say 2024-2025 season there now it was very terrible now very bad now organization kan na Ghana Premier League na form kakra but to kickstart a new season now the first gentleman of the land could grace this occasion. Yabaka say a very good idea. Esabema ejuma asaba o mind because eneya tournament ni ye be shasin league ye be shasin. Ebi mu beton t-shirts, ebi mu beton flags, ebi mu beton jerseys. Enyane insuo eniyama mebre ebe koso nti eba ne sana weekday bia no say matches wo ha ma economy ni so ye den etimi improve kakra. Nti we dey abasobo ana yebo the ruling government say omode opepa the edi omo sha omo share during the 2024 campaign season na omo pese omo ba aban mu nti ye bede omo say so omo omani akọ the Ghana Premier League and emom so yeah sports at large. Na match no match ni mu no say enya His Excellency nkwana yeden ebekọ Accra Sports Stadium na yeka Afro dancehall artist ye nya no ewo ye man mu a na meka Livingstone dodo na afra no Stone Boy Stone Boy so ba ko grace the occasion enti Yashama president ayede akeke ball na wie no first half time no yebenya entertainment it's a very long time yenya this tournament yeah me can say a very long time yenya sa anima we be say a sitting president eba the start of Ghana Premier League now also yenya one of the powerful and favorite Ghanaian artists, Afro dancehall artists, put Ghana to the map, put Ghana to the globe. Also, the Ebe Gracie, the occasion, now very interesting. Now, answer now, my entire Livingstone, aka Stone Boy, Eden, Ekine.
What's up, world? What's up, Ghana? You know I go by the name Stone Boy, the Beam Nation president, and I'm gonna be at the Accra Sports Stadium performing live in living color at the Ghana Premier League kickoff season 2025-2026. I can't wait to see you guys. It's between Accra Hearts of Oak and Hohoy United. You don't know what's up with it. Into the future, we go. I'm gonna leave you at the end of the road.
Enti when so any and someone Stone Boy editu just say ese obiara eba Accra Sports Stadium se wunya u ticket a just say dem we fast now we dem uba Sports Stadium ebe do ticket na empanifo amaye aware say from 3 to 4 yi wa ube piemu bia no popular stand wo free from 3 to 4 wa ube piemu Accra Sports Stadium from 3 to 4 no popular stand in free ebo 6 ye ticket no ye den ye je enti Livingstone Stone Boy say obia embra Accra House of Folk supporters munya emane nye fe say ye ball no ye football no ebe ko nanim ebe ye fe ama the globe I enjoy na chese supporters fans eba Accra Sports Stadium no mo be hwe the launch and what the start of the Ghana Premier League because there a back-to-back hits I'm so over the week here and wedding o release ne torture album and wa won't hear the torture album from Stone Boy the African dancer king no the sraw say enne enumre say wunya o ticket now we call Accra Sports Stadium because obema back-to-back hits I'm say we tie Stone Boy ache until first half in the 15 minute break until yenya performance he crowd e be on bet my bear 20 minutes until 20 minutes no we dey tie back to back from Stone Boy I think say perfect until Accra Kasua Dansoman Abubloshi Madina Domiko Abenya has die hard fans bia or supporting Accra House of Folk any Ho United no echese mo yeden munya mo ba in your numbers na mo be de mo be supporting mo team no na mo ma enne jumadie a yeden ye bedi no ayefa because ayefa ana yeden attract enkrofo ama yeden omama ba stadium enti enne no His Excellency any Stone Boy eba the start of the Ghana Premier League which is the 2025-2026 season enti obia anya den embra Accra Sports Stadium na onfa ne support emede embetai both teams so echi na enumu no ana Ho United ai say afi no maba emufoforo afi no maba Ghana Premier League ni mufoforo na Premier League no ena starting di dwumadie sronku bi say every club bia won a tradition oye kotoko won a tradition or started the start of the Premier League oye Accra House of Folk won a tradition the start of the Premier League oye uko European countries now Real Madrid Chelsea Manchester United they all have their tradition omoye eno na Ho United also akọ omo tradition akọje empire blessing say ye be start Premier League enne enti omo abrewa bia no omo call ne nchen say omo abrewa ye de enhira omo na omo season ya omo be start enye fe no omo timi mbo omo ho modern say impo omo ntimi anko omo anim kura na hwe na relegation no ye do omo anko back to Division 1 enti mume ya nhwe abra Ho United team no ene empanifo eden Echo Mountains eso se omo ere omo ko akochia omo abrewa na omo via abrewa so eden amo omo the blessing yanhwe se de sikoi
Okay, so what my mother is trying to say is, you can't go to a new battle with an old battle gear.
Bo yes ni nyaa den eba no nti we ni nyama kakra bi a omo de omo kọ omo abere wa ho ekọje mpaibọ ene blessing se on bless you omo na ba bia omo kọ bia omo fa win enye den embra votarians embra voter embra hohoi na adwuma ene enigye embra hohoi kroma no soso ye free wa ye moving on enko Accra House of Folk say league bia ebe start here Accra House of Folk omo en start year obeka ya last season a debutant a new club ahead obem and be share Accra House of Folk ewo omo home grounds which is the Accra Sports Stadium kamia ko yese omo started the Premier League aya omo breye papa na eno no na ene coach any team ni say season wey there a must win so omo beje the Ghana Premier League na esi omo na so because since coach Samuel Buedu eje league no edema omo ntimi enje league ni biem enti afi season wey there omo be bo omo modern say omo betimi age league no ama the supporters any the Accra House of Folk team na nkasa heden any agem because o be starting league bia na o twen say heden u be di nkunim na afa so at the end no so waje trophy no heden e di ama o club e di ama o supporters na asho omo animonyam because 34 matches season waye papa enti say ye be wie season na o club Accra House of Folk entime anji bibia na ebeye eya enti season we there Accra House of Folk say omo show mo supporters for say omo bro stadium na omo be support you omo na yembo season ni wie no na omo ayeden omo age the Ghana Premier League ayeden 2025-2026 no omo age esi omo na so because omo GBA ache enti season we there eye omo afa ye free ho United head coach eso yeren e de NSEM kakra etudwa pre-match conference na enum no ho United coach ne aka NSEM mebre oda the boys ase oda the management team so asese omatima yeren aye adwumaden ama o ma be piem e wo Ghana Premier League nim na league na o ma ban mu ni de omo de omo full vim omo de omo all out and eba abebo Ghana Premier League no ma kem for good because smaller teams no ya omo ba enche no ma omo ko relegation ba omo ho United ene omo mpanifo ebe make sure say omo beka Ghana Premier League nim yentie ensema the head coach for Ho United editudwa our press conference nasi.
Good day my people. So far so good. We have prepared very well and I think we are ready to go. And the preparation we started here and later we left to Aflao and from there we entered Togo to play some high profile match and later we went back to Aflao and go to Accra to continue our preparation. I think so far so good. No, I think not at all. I think this feature is going to give us a lot of opportunity because it's a first game. You know, during the start of the league, first game, anything can happen. So even when you look at House of Folk, anytime they play their first game against a debutant, they always lost. So hopefully, I think it's going to happen this time around. Yeah, well, you can see we are very prepare. And when you talk about motivation, you see, when you are playing a team like Asafok, as a young team as Hoho United, you know, what the boys have to motivate themselves. You know, in this kind of fight, you don't need a coach to motivate you or anybody. You know, this is the game that you need a self-confidence and self-motivation to go into the game. So I think the boys are ready, and I think they will go all out. Well, Didi Dramani is a mentor to me. He's also an elder brother as well, and was my instructor during 2016, where we had our CAF classes A, you know. So he's somebody that all of us looking at, and he's one of the best coaches here in Ghana. But that does not mean that we are not going to compete with him. Yes, although the letter that he teaches, that's exactly what we are going to use to beat him. Yeah, well, it is a good feeling, you know, because as of folk, I'm always say, I didn't finish my work with as of folk, you know, and always I want to prove them a lot, you know. So going to this game against as of folk, it means a lot to me, you know, and also I think to my Hohoi people as well, you know. So definitely we are going all out.
Thank you. The feeling is very great, and I think fully motivated, and coming to us playing with Accra Folk, it's a great feeling to we the players coming up, because this is our first season coming into Ghana Premier League and playing with Accra Folk. It's a very big club. Everybody knows in the whole Ghana, a very big club. So it's a great feeling for us playing, and a great exposure we're selling ourselves to the whole world. I think we have to be focused. We've been focused on the field, playing to coaches' instructions, and
Hohoi United head coach and then the captain Edu our press conference no ase. Ye movie on na ye call the National Sports Authority. The National Sports Authority. Say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama eba sports or yenyema akesiye edima the sports association ba enyema ba ku bi wo ha esa tene ba form papa the National Sports Authority led by Honorable Yao Ampafo Ankra say ye ka enkofo a omumbo omuhomoden ewo Mahama administration mu a na papa ya oda screens yi so yi previously wa bo aban na tia previous government no wa bo ma tia na afei na wono so ne mre ene ne time aduru se de no odi kan ebo aban dada na chi se aban dada na enyo omunyama yie no obetena so 8 to 9 months yi kura no eye kun Honorable Yao Ampafo Ankra awie ya chia say dia oye National Sports Authority no NSEM fata airtime enya. These are some of the things one kasa obra u senior brother Elvis Efriye Ankra them time no na sports minister or the 2014 World Cup okogu ye ni masibasa omo ye ni ma troka 2014 World Cup. Wow brother, senior brother, and then then sports minister okogu ye ni masibasa, you were part of them. 2025 nyamia dum ya appointed as the National Sports Authority. Una oda anon ye various stadiums una just ohwe now maintenance bi a just ye dia bia a just ye ewo ye stadiums ahodo no eden wahwe amayaye e kama ekoye se uba ye kra fertilizer kra eden ye de be ye pitch ni so ye no kra no untimi nye den wo administration entimi nye sika eden enfanto so moje a huge sum of money enkrofo bebo shows ewo various stadiums moje o musika kotokoni has ebobo bia no so a moje o musika na eya efa hemfa fertilizer keke eno KM boss Kinzuba ene ma musika to fertilizer Kumasi Sports Stadium fertilizers fertilizer ye maintaining pitch no ye pitch ni ye say ebe good for football no administration mu ni sika mo de those maintenance enti ye busa say sika na efa musika na afa hin sika mo de maintenance for our various stadiums no sika na afa hin always be no mo na mo opposition no mo bo the previous government mo bo machi so omo nya omo adwuma yie omo tena office no mo ye omo di sika. Look at the state of Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Look at the state of Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Yentimi nya fertilizer ye be na aye green am na in a good condition. As always be an sika ewo authority was sika ewo mo administration wa mo said mo dinu yafunyafu. Look at the state of Baba Yara Sports Stadium. And then you started Ghana Premier League. Look at the number of teams and ebenya akwenya abo Premier League ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Anka Kumasi Asantokotoko ebo subi. Nations FC kwado omo BBN Gold Stars. I can look at these clubs somewhere there. Ombenya akwenya abo ball ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium. So share the state of Baba Yara Sports Stadium. And Shenkunai as a football nation, and yes, your stadiums where ever say every year beyond your Jessica Sikaka Sia Edisiasie, your sports stadiums as also day in day out, no, the tier and a tier. The way I was buying Munamu opposition, Musi Eka, the previous government led by Professor Chumesi, former NSA boss, National Sports Authority boss. The way I see deep papayatem and some of them kafa papayu even po the day are not prof Eden oko sie ne ba ana oyere na kufa ere esake as NSA boss. Look at that. Mu deep papayatem so odisika or yanyama ensem fata o NSA ho mu yanyini free so e ma impo o hwere ne ba ni o hwere ne ba nimpo no na ye da o we okosie ne ba onam kwan so na yese His Excellency former president Nana Addo Dankwa Ayeden eyiwe free wo ade ya say amoye dem mo ye kire former NSA boss Professor Chumesi the mode year no na mo manya opportunity no ya elect ya appoint o say wo so fa wonim die ene die wo e wo sports ebe tina maintain our sports stadium na wo so die na wo ka wo opposition wo ka say enya no the same thing no na ayere o to aso ye pesa ye chichiri the state of our stadiums no in a good condition. Now free radio ha echo TV station ya unam radio stations ebo Professor Chum chese oka bad things nyama chese enye efa no ho so unya akonya se uzo yeden be di anim lead team no. Look at what you are doing. Hwe nyama a wo ye honorable yaw ampofo ankra e bus sports ni dia unim sports ni enti said na wano aye den o kasa mebrebe e wo position no sa anu kasa mebre de na wo ye no mayenhu e wo administration mayenhu se wo administration wo bai wa ye ne ma papa e de ama oman Ghana mayenhu se administration wo bai ye pitches ni nya e good in good condition mayenhu se ye stadiums no be bia aye den aye clean ye mayenhu se ya maintain ye stadiums ni hie enye se wo be kasa sasa na ye ma opportunity na wa say no enye se wo ka bibi wo ye bibi e ma ye hu se wo na wo de change side aba NSA ho because previous government dey ma bo machi ye papa enti within this 9 months wo betina so as NSA boss no ye hu niema bibi papa biara why adama NSA. Our pitches are in a very bad condition. Pitches nya video ya we say Accra Sports Stadium. Imagine Crofosika or mato tickets so mo be Ghana Mali. Or buy look at Sports Authority. Man cleaning seats in the sukra ama the citizens, the supporters. As for Maji musika somewhere then. Mubase ama NCC ni enyema ayere esafata ayere aba pitch so any stadium. Look at seat, look at enkonya ye tena so e dey abehwe Ghana Mali. Hwe na tese onu a supporter na ayere obehwe ball no osafa onu a ni face towel ni handkerchief ene esa de pipa so. Na NSA boss madwuma ne sen ewo National Sports Authority ho. Madwuma ne sen yanka so always be amontena office o mon ko field no so ko se de AC eniema ehia no e na tese mon ko field so ekoye enye se wo betena office na watu ayampia de ba pitch no so no e tese mo ye dem mo ko na mo ko hu de AC very very bad yenye wure mu Accra Sports Stadium ide na MCR Misram Pachofa stadium no so time na players supporters no ewo stadium all so we nya sa picture na mamia the other one the picture make up picture na kasa na players no supporters no ewo stadium all ya de bekasa very good say before the game NSA boss emaye nyanti ase say stance ni baby wo ha enye safe the supporters and the citizens enti omucha ticket 26,000 so we shop Baba Yara Sports Stadium any Accra Sports Stadium for 40,000 capacity and for 40,000 and ebetime ewurem ewo Accra Sports Stadium any Baba Yara Sports Stadium enti before the game no the NSA boss honorable yaw ampo for Ankara beto yenim ese baby stance ni baby wo ha enye safe the mass supporters and even for the citizens enti ye allow obia emanye den enko ho enti ticket o mutwa ye 26,000 tickets na just 14,000 ne de ho na ye baby ayenye den ye enko mo ka de ato afidiem maka mo bia ati ewiase nya ati se 14,000 ne de ye mo bia anya den enwura ho o hwa de me de ato screen isu a that screen isu a stadium na bomma se be stadium no abomma se be Ghana for ehia accountability Ghana for ehia se NSA boss odi niam bere ebetudwa se mo se 26,000 tickets na mo print ya o try your screen so a there so and also picture here that screen so a is more than that 26,000 more canon enti that 14,000 sika no afahin woni unkrofo woni umpenifo na de betu ja say Accra Sports Stadium stands ni bi o ha enya fix say e very dangerous say wedding ye be ma enkrofo atena ho ya dia tum masa de mo ticket amede mo twa e de aba say mo twa 26,000 tickets enti 26,000 tickets no ye ton wi a ye ton ticket bia biem ya timase a very nice idea because mo person mo protect the individuals mo protect obia o mo dem on bebo ho abehwe ball no enti that 14,000 capacity na ho ne de enye say ye nko ho no ye be start match no or match ne koso no look at screen who screen is what picture here that screen is stadium na aboma say be enkofo kra ebi mu wa abonten a omunya opportunity ne ye enwurem enti bi ye busa say NSA boss say that 14,000 tickets no efahin account be mu na coin Ghanaians are calling for accountability e just obey account your boy am say 5 days more yente from the NSA boss anka ye bo Premier League kotokoni has never anka after the match biano muba be maye record say na munyan say na ekọ kotokofo say na ekọ house for say na eba mo NSA for kamba be ma records no Ghana versus Mali mose maton 26,000 tickets yetimase that 14,000 tickets na aka no him for na e5 wan sika wan account mu na akọ wan na enjoy that 14,000 tickets na ire moton wan mu na eko enjoy Ghana for ehia enchirechiremu etesa oba out na ire oba chirechire nsemu e kire Ghana for ye de wotena ho se oba ire oba ma prepare ire aba the sports authority obema prepare ye aba ye stadiums nu enti se ya bo match awie ene eye Friday ye born Monday ene eye Friday na untimi embeka sika oman no enya ya na say because his excellency the first gentleman are very interested ewo sika sembia ebekoso ewo sports authority won enti na obesa honorable Kofi Adams the sports minister or the budget near the eba out abra na Ghana ne Chad the ekobo ye pese ye hu de ekoso enti say ya bobo na wi a ye hia accountability ye hia so be account ema oman Ghana sika sen ana ye den ekom na sika sen na musumunyan 26,000 there mu benye sika enti 14,000 no na ade ba kokra esa ya mi won say IGP say umrante na ya omo ba field no so ene ebe guide me hu say me sinchire mu fa ebe hwe say bibia ekoyenu ese mo woni omo because mo say a security threat baby mo say we na yantena a security threat dentina mo police for mo say allow ema citizens supporters ekotena ho honorable IGP umrante no say Ghana Premier League e be sha ase say omo adwuma na eye gidigidi e just mo hwe na enema bi say no yeda mo ni omo kan ho asem because for the start of the game no mama ya we say e ho de no man's land obi anu a yeda okotena ho because yenim de besi mo because mo dwene oman no ho mo dwene krofo a yeda eba sports stadium honti mo dwene say they see years ago May 9th mo pese ebi besi biemu niti mu protect was say ye mayeden ye mo obi antena ho ya je atum the kick of the start of the game koso game ni koso a ye be sha enkrofo na yeden ehwirihwiri ayeden akotena be bia masha say mayeden hwe ya anko no wan na mo kwan na hwan mu kra de sa ton ticket no ayeden mo because mo twa 26,000 tickets and the 26,000 tickets na sa hwan mu na sai sika ekọ mo honorable yaw ampofo ankra ye hia enchirechiremu because na Ghana ebo match bia na ube yedede ube kasa efa sika yenya sika yenya ewo stadium now with the pressure we put more pressure ewo ema the previous government so amombe kasika omenya they say yabo qualify na wi September qualify yabo wi sika sen na Ghana yenya 26,000 tickets no sika sen yenya free mu afi so stance na mo se yeden hwe na yanko ho no yehu ye na eho ayema eho no eho sika so eho han botom because his excellency say or restart Ghana resetting agenda no say bekoyia enema wenya e kan always bia meka mumma yemfa no kredie ene yede embu oman ye bibia ye be bia mumma yemfa no kra no wo ha bibia beko jojo say no kra ni ho dia so dia ana always bia no ye betina class 1 ho because ye mpanifo no abro eni sikadie entro ahye omuma omo nka no kra na emo say ya ampofo ankra onima is appointment o ye betima ya reshuffle so waduma enko yi a his excellency betima reshuffle because won say umbon ho modin kasa na onim kasa pe na obetima kasa nti we oba resafo am obi foforo aba de obetimi aye adwuma no aba reset agenda no e just say the NSA ye reset mo because sikedie no e ya adoso a whole big club Kumasi Asante Kotoko e kobo Confederation Cup ontimi enya his home ground aye baba ya sports stadium entimi ensi aka just on the back Accra sports stadium send say hunti always bia no sika no magye eso mo fa nya pictures no ye pictures are just mo ye enti aya artists e bobo shows asori for mbe ye nsori ene enema ewo ye stadium sika no aya mo gi amode fa hin baba ya sports stadium ye ntimi enya fertilizer enye de ntimi maintain pitch no as a football nation DNA ya fa ho honorable ya wampo for Ankara wo time media 2/10 mi grade wa 2/10 wasan papa yaka NSA bosses are omaba omasampa eyewo sinu awoye ubaye inspection of Sipon Sports Stadium, inspection of Tamale Sports Stadium, inspection of Accra Sports Stadium, inspection of Babaya Sports Stadium. Yehu dia waye. Sikedie na the previous government mu bon machi sa unam radio stations to radio stations. Now u bon machi. O time eduru dia na wo ye e dia ma o man no. Ja legacy bitu oni yenka se honorable Ampafo Ankara e baye no. Wey and the yema the Ghana National Sports Stadium and just say we be better office ke na wakasa na chese ene ye be kasa oye adwuma no ka bibi ye bibi faun wo penny order wa no say he is resetting Ghana and just say wo you say we dem be kan ho na reset agenda na enye ye no and just say wo kra na ho ye dem wo ye no more because ono dia ono oye na afemu di o nti wo ya aka wo se oye na obeboa no na dia opeso oye no abem look at that fertilizer na keme boss kinzuba ene tini botum sika se monje na mfanyere monto fanto fertilizer na mo administration ho na moteno mo offices ho na moteno sika no e fahin sika na ya moje na e fahin fan anka local clubs ni bi na abobo ewo pitches nso anka before after the game na mo de akunta ebeba say ni enyaye say na eko club A o say na eko club B o say na eba National Sports Authority Ghana Blasters abobo 4 days in yentimi ehun ska ekom munsesa musuban yo ne ma bia mo ye munsesa because see ya na be call dia na e say ye reshafo e say ye yiw emo e bi foforo ba because ye hu adwuma awobo ye hu dia wodi o ye dia ma NSA ho no ye hu ade a wo ye dia ma NSA ho no why you say scan na obedi dia you should watch out because on my sika de ye ndini kwa said ye recent government edi ni juma echeche nkrofo tumu no kan hu say wo so you be accountable for that on be from abe investigation bi untimi ndi o man sika na onko trasa say himself or Muhammad himself say that ka obeya anka for the first place kula wan for wan am 1.2 as head as a boss because no mujidie say opposition in somehow kan efa NSA boss no nim say oba buano ama the better agenda better Ghana agenda na ene akoso eso say ehun say sikedie na the abanda da na eye no enu na wonam then and I would hear at the Abua the Sports Authority. Yes, stadiums I would do I war mine at Titia Pansam. His Excellency engagement with in Central for journalism. I say regions bia omunya stadium no obesi stadium bia a modern stadium or region bia omunya stadium. A good idea. As you besi awie no na maintenance say the besi akura no na ayeden endi 2 years endi 3 years na rusty chairs no enkonya ni bi apapai te say na pitches no grounds no asɛn deɛ ne yɛ yɛtimi yɛ nneɛma fɛfɛɛfɛ na afei maintenance na yɛ den yɛbɛhwɛ ne yɛayɛ ne yie no ne yɛasɛn no ne yɛama nkurɔfoɔ bi sika so ɔmo mfa nyɛ maintenance na ɔmo adi sika no ne yɛnyɛ ɔmo hwee because ɔmo ban ɛna ɛwɔ so. We have to put a stop to that. And yet, as a nation, she be ko enima sa nneɛma we nya agye sɛ yɛ ye jai na abro na ye di ye man abro na ye di oman no ye jai sa nneɛma no ɛnyɛ nsɛm fata as a nation. Ya wampɔ for ankra ye hia accountability. Ye hia sɛ obɛ di nkyirikyirimu bɛba because ya started Ghana Premier League. Ya babubo matches na to aso a. Say mo de mo ticket price aba. Say de mo JL stadium ene. House of folk ne ho ebu. Mo de mo ticket prices aba. Sika de beba m account mu. Den na mo di sika no Mo me yendi no kura ema ye ho. No kura die ene hia. Uguswa FPNTV official our YouTube and Facebook. So obe like na wa commenting we are share na afoforo so enye bi. The start of the Ghana Premier League and our face so. And semi course so after the Blackstars game sika ayira maybe aye share seven na yantena ye share mass na se na ho ayema. Mpenimfo no it's about time say omoyeden omoye enema right because baby aye kono ye mpese ye sabe ko yechi ye nima na ye konti echire de backwards de ye mpe forward ever timum ye nye enema ede mpuntu nkanko ebeba oman ye be start league ye de njuma ene enema mebre na ede eba oman nti say njuma ne enigye ebeba oman nim na afi yɛbɛhwɛ na yɛ stadium nso ɛsɛ a nsɛm fata moma yɛnyɛ the right thing the better agenda me deɛ megitum mefoa deɛ his excellency aka no sɛ better agenda ne bɛba so a mo a his excellency ɛde mo atoto baabi dibre no monhwɛ na monyɛ mo dwuma yie bidin de ɔpɔn boaten aha sei ɛna yɛde bɛsi